The first challenge is emerging threats and ever-changing threat landscape. The cyber threat landscape evolves and grows as threat actors develop new malicious techniques and exploitation methods. New critical or high-level vulnerabilities in widely used products may lead to massive cyber attacks. These vulnerabilities or campaigns are called emerging threats and poses a challenge for financial institutions. Emerging threats should be treated with utmost urgency and require an immediate response from security teams. When a new high-impact vulnerability, adversary technique, or cyber attack campaign is discovered, many cybersecurity agencies, such as US CISA, declares this new threat as an emerging threat.